Hi, I'm Scott Simpson with Keller Dent Repair. You're going to want to follow along so we can show you what we're capable of with the Paintless Dent Repair method.
Wait for it. There it is. I already know what you're thinking. This fender is trashed. It needs to go in the garbage. A new one needs to be put on, and the whole front end of this car needs to be resprayed or repainted, right? That's not the case. We can actually fix this damage back to its original factory condition without affecting anything about this vehicle in the process of repairing it. Now, keep in mind that this is actually a donor vehicle, so I don't suggest creating dents on your car to see if you can get them out or not. We are professionals doing this, and it takes a lot of skill, time, and effort to do these repairs to a high level like this that you're seeing. This is an end result here. Amazing results. You cannot get a better quality repair than this method here. Literally, like I said, nothing has been altered about this vehicle. You can see a couple little touch-up areas from a previous repair that was done a long time ago, probably from somebody, but like I said, this is a donor vehicle, and we're just trying to demonstrate the full potential of what can be done with paintless. So here's a really bad dent on a rail. We call this the sail panel or rail on a vehicle. It's completely structural. It's all enclosed. So we have to use a glue pulling method like you're seeing here, which allows us to basically work from the outside of the panel, manipulating that metal back to its original position, using that hot glue and tap down techniques that you're seeing here. This is actually what's called blending, and blending allows us to really fine tune that metal on a micro level. Here's one last look at the damage before you see the end result, and the end result is amazing considering the damage was in that location where there's no access from behind. Here's an edge repair. Edge repairs are very complex, take a long time to do, and you can see there's a little bit of a mark there that was left from the impact, and that will actually polish off, and it'll be good as new in the end. You can see we're manipulating that metal on the inside and outside of this repair, and there's the final product. You can still see that little etch or scar from whatever hit it, and we're polishing it out, and this is the end result. It's pretty amazing. We didn't have to do any kind of painting or body work to this vehicle, keeping it factory fresh. And we're creating some really bad damage on this hood, as you can see. And all for demonstration purposes. It's another donor vehicle, and these are really heavy hits on this hood just to kind of demonstrate. There's a sledgehammer right there. I mean, it doesn't get any worse than that. So really bad damage on this hood. We're going to repair it 100% of the way using the paintless method, and you can see the method we're using from behind the panel, kind of manipulating that metal, pushing the dents up, and really fine tuning them. This is the kind of mid stage here that you're seeing. A couple little mounds, just basically reversing the damage, and now we have to go back in and tap those mounds down. So after a few hours of metal manipulation, here's our final product. If you have any further questions about Paintless Dent Repair, feel free to call us at 682-438-3793 or visit kellerdentrepair.com. Thank you for watching and have a great day.